Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy 450 horsepower package for a customer's 1978 GMC. Go over some of the highlights of the engine build here. We have the 4-volt main block, one-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there. We have the Rollin' Thunder roller lifter camshaft in there. Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, American made. These real nice Taylor ignition wires. All the wire markers are all in place. We have the proper oil pan for the 78 GMC. You have the proper flex plate for the customer's transmission and tooth count and balance. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. We have the aluminum intake manifold on there. Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running with all the readings. The Holley Sniper fuel injection will be all dialed in. The menu screen all set. Be pretty much plug and play. You have the HEI distributor on there. Throttle return spring and bracket is on there. These real nice 383 stroker orange valve covers with the matching 14-inch air cleaner. Thermostat housings in there, thermostats in place. Heavy duty Russell fuel line. Gas filters on there. This real nice polished serpentine pulley kit on here, the Raptor system. It's a real nice system. It has a self-tensioning belt tensioner on there. So that's always keeping the belt at the proper tension. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. AC compressors on there. The aluminum water pump, reverse rotation, 160 amp chrome alternator, one wire hookup right there. GM Saginaw power steering pump, real easy, hook up the power steering line right there, return line right there. So there you have it, 383 Chevy Stroker 450 horsepower package, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554. Or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business for over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.